Hello, I'm in a 2017 Nissan Sentra, and today I'm going to show you how you would add brake fluid. So first you open the hood, and then towards the driver's side you should see this neck. This is your brake fluid here. So this is where it goes to and through this reservoir. And on the side here you'll see a max line, and then a minimum line's down here. You want it pretty close to this max line, not completely full. There is supposed to be some air gap. But I would double check your owner's manual or a good online source that the new liquid you've got is the best match for your particular make and model. But that said, you just unscrew this, and either with a funnel or straight from your liquid jug, fill as needed till you get around that max line. And then when you're done, screw this back on nice and tight. And then I would double check around your reservoir, your lines, everywhere leading to it to make sure there's no leaks. Typically you should hardly ever, if ever at all, have to add fluid to this. So you want to make sure there's no leaks or anything like that that need addressed. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.